Hello everybody, and today we're going to be talking about Booleans. Yay, finally. Booleans, I waited for this simply because I wanted to get conditional statements done first, because the conditional statements for Booleans are a bit different. So, let's just delete the code we have. So, a Boolean is just another type of variable, and we already know about strings. This is text equals to this is text. This is a piece of text slash string. Semicolon. We know about integers, which is numbers, which is 5, for example. And now we're going to learn about booleans. Boolean. And we'll say true or false equals to true. So, what are booleans? Well, booleans are just a value that holds one of two things, whether it is true or whether it is false. So, when something is true, now these are only used in if statements, or that's pretty much the only reason why they're used. So let's just type out an if statement with it. So let's just say, let's think of a true or false question. We can say, tall. I don't know. If you are tall, so if tall equals to true, then we'll system.out.print tall, or not tall, true. Sorry, you are tall. Let's run that. You'll see it'll say you are tall. Right? Now, here is why. Actually, you know what? Now let's do false equals to false. We'll say you are short. And if we run it, since tall is not equal to false, it won't say anything. If we set this to false, then it'll say you are short. And this is why I was waiting to make this video, because you actually don't need this at all. If you are tall, so this means this is testing whether tall is equal to true. So then you are tall, or tall is equal to true. So let's say tall is true. Run this, and it'll say nothing, because tall is not true. Tall is false. So let's run this. It'll say tall is true. So this is the same thing as saying this. Now, what if we want to do false, though? Well, you just put an exclamation mark right behind it and say false. Let's run it. It'll say tall is, whoops, this should say false. Tall is false. And that's it. That's a boolean in a nutshell, and they work like any other variables. You can say tall equals to false over here, or true over here. Do it again, tall equals to false. Yeah, that's it. That's all. Thanks for watching. This was a very short video about booleans, and hope you have a good day. Goodbye.